Got a minute? Zoom probably has more functions and features than any UCaaS platform in the world. Here's 5 tips and tricks I bet you didn't know about. I love using my keyboard for shortcuts instead of using my mouse to click a button, and Zoom has a ton of them, like schedule a meeting, join a meeting, even mute and unmute. Try it out, it's amazing. Zoom has background noise removal with automatic noise suppression, so you don't have to hear that dog barking in the background during a meeting. Don't feel like typing a long email or a chat message? Leave an audio message or even a video message. You can even use Zoom clips now. See all those icons on the top of your Zoom client like home or mail or meetings? Did you know you could rearrange them? Try it. Zoom even has a notes feature that allows you to keep notes before, during, and after the meeting and then share them with meeting participants. But better yet, use Meeting Summary from AI Companion and no one has to take notes, ever again. Did you know Zoom can even recognize hand gestures like thumbs up or wave and then put a corresponding reaction in the corner of your screen? Give it a shot. Todd, was that enough tips and tricks? I think I promised 5. I can't remember.